Gates open, they're up and racing. We have final countdown. Draws for your lead. Superior Arc is Starbucks Pansy, Piece of My Wish Bilateral. Then next in line, Sharp Cookie. Harrod's Magic comes next. Then comes runner number 4. Cool Reception, followed by entry number 12, Royal Eras. Next in line, Diamond Magic, followed by entry number 1, Lock to Win as they race towards the last 600. Superior Arc, this time by about 2 lengths. Piece of My Wish in second, moving a party outside. Final countdown. Sharp Cookie arriving at the race too. Superior Arc, Sharp Cookie now moving a party outside, and down the stretch they come. Superior Arc still leading the field. Sharp Cookie now moving a party outside. Then together is entry number 12, Royal Eras. Superior Arc, Sharp Cookie on the outside. It's still Superior Arc, Sharp Cookie leveling up, and finally close between Sharp Cookie, Superior Arc, Royal Eras, Piece of My Wish.
13